are almost 2 billion strong but weak. Today when we see difficulties in the ummah, from Gaza, from Gaza to Palestine, all of it, not just Gaza, but also in Sudan, Kashmir, in so many places the Muslim ummah is struggling. But what's the solution? Muslims today are very reactive. We're not proactive. Everything's a reaction. Donate food here, donate clothing here. Yes, we need to help. Yes, people are struggling and it's their haqq upon us that we do whatever we can. But we need to have long-term strategies. Think long-term. Fix ourselves as a ummah. We are almost 2 billion strong but weak, like the foam on the ocean, as the Prophet ﷺ had warned us about. We see our brothers and sisters in Gaza praying on the rubbles of their buildings, praying in jama'ah on broken cement and not leaving the salah. So what happened to us? What's our excuse?